Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Positive Vibes with Simran. In this video, I am gonna share with you my lip care routine along with two different DIY lip balms. These two lip balms are, first one is honey and cinnamon lip balm which is colorless, and second one is rose and beetroot lip balm. It is tinted, that is it is light pink in color. So in this video I will tell you how to make these lip balms at your home. As you can see guys, I have prepared this one also. As you can see. So these are awesome DIY lip balms which you can use, and the best thing is they are 100% natural. So guys, if you are facing any problem of dry and chapped lips, then you should incorporate these 4 natural ingredients into your lip care routine. These are bee wax, which locks in moisture into your lips. Second one is sugar, which is a great exfoliator for your lips. Third one is natural oil, for example coconut or jojoba oil, which provide important and healthy fats to your lips. And the last one is natural flavor, which provides smell or scent to your lip balm. And the best thing is the lip care routine which I am gonna share with you in this video will include all these 4 natural ingredients. So firstly, let me tell you how to prepare the 2 DIY lip balms at your home. Then we will move forward to our lip care routine.
So the first lip balm we're gonna make is honey and cinnamon lip balm. Place a big or medium size utensil on the stove to form the base of your double boiler. Fill it with hot water and wait till it gets boiled. Now place another small bowl over the top of it. You should make sure that small bowl should be of steel, aluminium or heat proof glass utensil. Otherwise it will get break. Now add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, few chunks of bee wax, 1 tablespoon of honey. Now we have to add cinnamon powder, so you can prepare it by grinding it in mortar and pestle. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon powder or dalchini powder. Mix all the ingredients well and let them get melted properly. Now fill it in an empty container and your first lip balm is ready. You have to place it at room temperature for about 3 to 4 hours and your first honey and cinnamon lip balm is ready to use. The next lip balm we're gonna make is a colored one, which is rose and beetroot lip balm. For preparing it, you need to extract beetroot juice and few roses. Now start adding ingredients into this double boiler. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, few chunks of bee wax, few rose petals and 2 tablespoons of beetroot juice. Now strain this mixture as we have to separate rose petals out of it. Now you can fill this lip balm mixture into any empty container. I have also filled it in an empty lipstick container. Place it for about 3 to 4 hours at room temperature and your lip balm will be ready to use. So guys, these are awesome lip balms which are 100% natural, and all the ingredients which I have used to prepare these lip balms are available at home except bee wax. So the link to purchase bee wax is mentioned in the description box.
This lip care routine includes 3 steps. These are exfoliation, masking and moisturizing. So first one is exfoliation.
To prepare lip scrub, we will add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/4 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients well and your lip scrub is ready to use. Now take small amount of lip scrub and scrub all over your lips in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off with normal water.
Second step is masking.
Now for masking, you need to take small amount of honey and apply it all over your lips and let it stay for about 5 to 7 minutes and then wash it off with normal water.
And the third step is moisturizing. You can moisturize your lips with these DIY lip balms.
As you can see guys, here I have applied the tinted lip balm. It's light pink in color and also adds shine to your lips.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Meet you next time. Take care. Bye bye.